Okay, this is Chad Pornova in video 2, how to restore your WordPress website with all-in-one WP migration. Okay, it's a free WordPress plugin. So I'm going to show you, once you have a fresh WordPress site set up where you wanted to move your site, or if you lost your site and you had a backup of it, which is good, then you can start a fresh new WordPress site. And then I'm going to show you how simple this is. So you just go here. You don't have to worry about updating any of this stuff until you have your original site back. So what you want to do is click on Add New under Plugins. You want to type in All-in-One WP Migration. Okay. And stay tuned at the end of the video. I'm going to show you how you can get yourself a free niche website in online traffic. You'll get private label rights to it for free, and you'll be able to sell it or use it for yourself, but I'll show you at the end of the video, okay? But let's get back to how to restore your WordPress website with all-in-one WP migration plugin, okay? So let's click Install, click Activate. All right, now we come over to here, all-in-one WP migration. We're gonna go over here to Import, because we're gonna import, if you watched the last video, we're gonna import the file that we saved from the backup. So we're going to click there and click on File. Then we're going to choose our file, which I saved it in this folder. Okay, just click on it here. Now it's just going to upload it to your freshly installed WordPress site so you can restore your WordPress site. So let's just wait. But this is like I said, all-in-one WP migration WordPress plugin. It's free, and it's a really simple WordPress backup plugin. Okay, so let's just wait here for it to get done. It doesn't take too much time as long as your site's not huge. My site wasn't that big; it was 112 megabytes, so it really only took literally a few seconds to download it, and then this is going to take probably, a minute or less. So we'll just wait here so I can show you how simple it is to restore it with all-in-one WP migration plugin. And then I'll show you little things you do once you have it set up. And then I'll show you how you can get yourself a free niche website that has to do with website traffic. But I'll show you that at the end. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there. I'm not going to pause it because really it's not too long, so I just want you to really see how it is. Okay, now it's checking everything, making sure the backup's okay. It's telling you it's going to rewrite over everything, which is good because this is a fresh new site that you're going to bring back your old site that you either lost or you just wanted to move it to another domain. And remember what I told you in the last video, make sure that you have your old username and password for your WordPress blog, because what's going to happen is the one that you created for this new website, this new WordPress website, isn't going to work. So it's going to log you out and you're going to have to log back in. So make sure you kept that information, and I'll show you how I kept mine and how I'll put it in there, and it will all work just perfectly once we do it. So it's almost done. It's at 80%. It's restoring the database right now. This plugin is literally so simple. That's why I love it so much, because it's really easy to show people how to do it, and people can just follow a video and really do it themselves, even do all this themselves, even if this is their first time ever doing a WordPress website. So there we are. We're finished now. Okay, so let's just refresh the page, and we'll notice that we can't log in, but we'll click Update. If that comes up, just continue. Okay, now watch. If we try to log in, I might have it already saved, but we'll see. Yep, I already had it saved. But what you'll do is you'll just take your information that you saved right here with your domain, your admin, and then your password. Okay, now let's go here. We'll just update this to the new WordPress really quickly. And then we'll update any plugins here, and then I can show you what you need to do next. So just take a second here. You always want to make sure that you keep your WordPress up to date. Keeps you safe from getting your site hacked. There's no guarantee, but it keeps you in a better place. Okay, let's click here. Nope, no updates. Alright. Alrighty here. So now what we want to do is, after we've done the backup and restored it, so we're going to go to Settings, we're going to Permalinks, and we're going to click Save Changes Twice under Permalinks. Now if we come to your site's restored. There it is. Click on any of these and everything should work perfect, which they do. Okay, so it really is that simple. And then you can just leave this plugin, this all-in-one WP migration, just for the next time you need to make a backup, because I would always make a backup. And like I said, you just click on backups and you click create a backup, and it's that simple. Okay, like I promised you, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can get your free niche website that has to do with online traffic, which is a very, very good niche that people are searching for, how to get traffic to their websites for businesses and whoever who doesn't want more traffic. So I'll put a link below this video in YouTube, and you can click on there and you'll be taken to this page right here. All you need to do is fill your name, your email address, click yes, I want this, confirm your email, and like I said, you're going to get private label rights. You can sell this, you can do anything you want with it. This is your site, 100% free. Alright, you click download. I have the instructions in a video right here that you can learn how to set up the site. It's pretty much simple as what I just showed you in this video, how to restore, but this is just how to install this. So it's very easy. So if you watch this video and you restored your site, you can actually take this site that I'm giving you to for free, this niche website, and you can download it, upload it, and have it running in a matter of probably 5 or 10 minutes or less, literally. So this will tell you how to do it in detail about this particular niche website, how to do it. If you have any problems, there's information you can click here and read. The video will show you more. If you just want to read how to install it, you can go right here, go down. If you need a web hosting, this is who we've been using, Inner Server, for over 10 years. We make a small commission from that. And here's some free bonuses right here that you can learn about Insta Niche Profits, how to make money with different niches. And then a free bonus, if you just want to learn more about WordPress, click right here and you'll be able to sign up 100% free. I'll click on it so I can show you. And there's nothing to buy on here. It is literally 100% free. So just click join, sign up, and that's it. It's really that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to restore your WordPress website with all-in-one WP migration. So keep an eye out for my other videos I make. I hope you enjoy this free gift that I'm giving you of this free niche website. If you have any questions, post them below in the comments and I'll reply to them. Please like and share this video and get it out to as many people as possible, because we want people to know how to restore their websites, or if you watch the other video, we want people to know how to back up their website. So again, this is Chat Portnova. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you on the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.